Can you see the hummingbird? I hope you can see the hummingbird. Anyways. Hey guys, so welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. And today I kind of want to do a little bit of everything. I want to talk about YouTube. I want to talk about an update on my channel as far as my search for an automobile. So I have looked at so many RVs, you guys. Oops. There's not a lot that's really tickling my fancy. So here's a couple of the things that I have to be mindful of when I'm looking, is I want to keep it under 20 feet. I believe 19 and 20 feet are allowed in the city limits, where longer RVs are not allowed in the city limits. So I have to be very careful about that. And to make it easier, like I don't want some big RV that's going to be like a hassle to even drive. I just want to relax and really enjoy every moment. So I'm back over towards the vans. Now, I've been looking at some camper vans, and nothing, again, has made me be like, hey. So then I was going to leave out the whole, like, whatever. I'm just going to buy a vehicle and go. So now I found a 4x4 van. Now, I briefly, I think, talked about it in one of my videos, saying that the paint job was really unique. Excuse me. I wasn't able to go and see it that day, but I'm going to go see it this Tuesday. So it's Sunday today, so in a couple days I'm going to be going to see it, and I'm kind of really excited about it, you guys. One of the things I'm not sure about is it runs off propane. I've never driven a vehicle that runs on propane, and I don't know about how the service is driving through all areas. Like, is everybody going to have propane? So I don't know, right? It's something new for me, so I have to do a lot of research on that before Tuesday, and then I'll go see it. But it's super. The paint job is very, very spectacular. Okay, so now to YouTube. I want to hop over there. If you guys just started your channel, giver. Don't, like, when I started my channel, I was like, oh, it'll grow when it grows, you know. And I did some of my my content was slightly different when I started my channel, because I was doing more of my chickens, which right now I'm in a lull. I don't have them right now, but I will be getting them again. And I was doing like canning and stuff and preparedness stuff. And even though that stuff is all there and it's all wonderful information, I will be extending onto those lists. But if you just started, just go. Like, get it done. Make backup content, okay? So what I mean by just go is post every day. There's a lot of great channels that have challenges, different so many day challenges. One of the channels that's really good for getting motivation under you when it comes to this, doing 90-day challenges, is Lashawna's Success System. So I really want you to go and check out her channel. She is full of good information and inspiration and motivation, and a little bit of turtle power. So go check her out. We talk about a lot of the similar things, just in different ways. And, you know, it goes back to the red ball. Everybody could do a video on a red ball, and they're all going to be completely different, and they are going to attract different kind of people. So let's all do the video on the red ball, and let's all share as we're learning and growing on this YouTube journey. So one of the reasons I'm not monetized yet is because my channel is multiple years, okay? So if today, like right now in 2026, I get, say, 15 watch hours from people watching. And say in 2025, on this day, I had 10 watch hours. So even though 15 were watched today I received 5 watch hours. So everything that accumulated from previous years comes off on the 365 rotation. Now, I was talking about this in my last video. Now, here's the thing. There is 2 locations that you find your 365, and it is hugely important that you know the difference. Unless your channel's brand new, unless it's your first year, you're golden. But if you have rotated onto another year, you need to go and look at this. So when you go into your YouTube studio, it says watch time hours and you tap it. You have the option of, I think I said this before, 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365, and then whatever. There's a couple other options. When you look at that, it will tell you one number. But if you, once you are partially monetized, I don't even know if it showed me that before. Maybe it did. If you go down and you hit that earn button, yeah, it did show it before, and you don't have to be monetized. You can still hit that button. It's a totally different number of your 365. So it's really important that you go and look at both and see how it works, right? Now, the regular YouTube studio is usually, I think, a week behind, or 5 days or 4 days behind on your numbers, which, you know, just makes it that much more fun to try to figure out. So yeah, right now, my previous year, I had a couple of really good videos that came out and I got a lot of watch time, and it's really kicking me in the ass right now. So I strongly encourage you guys just to get motivated. Oh, there's a humming. Oh, do you hear the hummingbirds? Okay, so yeah. Okay, I talked about that. So yeah, post every day and make some backup videos. What I mean by backup videos is, if you have birds, you can put your phone out there and record a half an hour of birds, or even an 8-minute video, or like a 9-minute video of birds. And those people that support your channel and like being on your channel will watch those, and that is still content. I'm not a huge fan of it. I do use it, but that goes for, wait, I had a bunch of stuff written down. You could do it on a fish tank. Wait, I did have a bunch of stuff written down. Oh, I think I grabbed the wrong paper. Oh, you could do it on a fish tank, on birds, on deer, like Me Versus MS with Chris Lee. You could do puzzles. I can't think of any channels off the top of my head that do puzzles, but there's puzzles. I just can't remember right now. And you can also do live streams that way, doing different crafts. There's a lot of channels that do diamond painting, like Relax with Melissa. She has an excellent channel if you guys are into diamond painting. She has wonderful, wonderful content on relaxation, and just a wonderful channel, wonderful lady. So go and check her out as well. Now, I did name off a couple of channels just like that. I did not write it down, so if I have left you out, I love you guys all, and I appreciate you all so much. I'm really excited about learning and growing together, and I'm really excited, hoping that I will have a video soon saying, first of all, that I'm monetized, or second of all, that I found a vehicle. So I really appreciate you guys coming along. Smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss another upload, and have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Bye.